English chapter 2, Go and Come. Once there was a little boy who lived in a pretty little cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, and so there was a lot of work to do there. The plants had to be watered every day. They had to be given manure from time to time. They had to be cut and pruned at the right time. The garden needed weeding and cleaning. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. Explanation: meaning of pretty, beautiful. Meaning of cottage: a small house. There was a little boy who lived in a beautiful cottage. There was a lovely garden around the cottage. From the third line, the description of the garden begins. Different kinds of plants grow in a garden. So, there are lot of work to do. For example, watering the plants regularly. Giving manure to the plants. That means to give fertilizers to the plants. To grow them quickly and without any decaying. Without any drying. Plant needed to be cut and pruned at the right time. Meaning of pruned: to trim the dead or overgrown branches or stem. The garden needed weeding. Meaning of weeding: to remove unwanted plants. The garden needed cleaning as well. To clean means some trees shed their dry leaves which falls on the ground. It needs to be cleaned. The boy's family consisted of many members. All members helped each other to take care of the garden. Next paragraph. The boy had a very strict uncle who came to stay with them for a few days. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. One day he saw that the boy was playing around in the house. Explanation: one day the boy's uncle came to his house to stay for few days. Next line describes about the uncle. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Meaning of hard work: a great deal of effort. Meaning of discipline: the practice of training people to obey rules. So one day the uncle saw the boy playing in the garden. Little boy, said the uncle, you would be far better at work. Your garden needs weeding sadly. Sadly means here badly. Go now and weed it like a good child. But the little boy did not feel like weeding that day. I can't do it, he said. Oh yes, you can, said the uncle. Well, I don't want to. Not just now, said the little boy. But you must, said his uncle. Don't be naughty. Don't be naughty. Here it means do not give any back answers. Listen to my orders. Don't be naughty, but go at once and do your work. This is an order. Get up and go. Explanation: uncle saw the boy playing in the garden. He said to the little boy, instead of playing, go and do some work. Your garden needs weeding very sadly. Very sadly here it means very badly. The garden is very dirty. Meaning of weeding: to remove unwanted plants. I told you earlier. So uncle said, go and weed the garden like a good boy. But the little boy was in no mood to weed the garden. He immediately replied by saying, I can't do it. Hearing this, uncle said, oh yes, you can. Here you can see both of them are arguing. The uncle is ordering and the boy is neglecting. He is avoiding his orders. The boy replied by saying, I don't want to weed the garden. At least not now. Why? Because the boy was playing. He was in the mood of playing. So how can he do any work? The uncle argued again by saying, but you must weed the garden now. Don't be naughty. Meaning of naughty: mischievous. Here as per the conversation, naughty means don't give any back answers. Listen to me. Do as I say. It is an order. Get up and go. The uncle was himself a hard-working man. He went away to carry on with his own work in another room. But the little boy sat still. He felt that his uncle was being unfair. His chin began to wobble. He had a lump in his throat and his eyes welled up. Just then his mother walked in. What's the matter, little boy? She asked. Why do you look so unhappy? Uncle told me to weed the garden, said the little boy. Explanation. As you know, his uncle himself was a very hard-working man. In the beginning of the chapter, we know about his uncle. After ordering the boy, uncle went into the another room and carried on with his work. But the boy stood still. He felt his uncle is being very rude and impolite to him. To such a little boy, that uncle was being very rude and impolite. Even I think so. His chin started shaking. He became upset. His chin started shaking. Here there is a textual word, wobble. Wobble means either to shake or to shiver. His eyes was full of tears. After some time, his mother came and she asked, Why, little boy, why are you unhappy? The boy replied by saying, Uncle told me to weed the garden. I was playing here. I am in no mood to weed the garden. Oh, said his mother, what fun that will be. I love to weed and it is such a fine day. Can I come and help you to weed? Why? Yes, said the boy. Come, let's do it now, said his mother. Now after hearing to that little boy, mother said, Wow, weeding. Oh, I like weeding the garden. Can I come and help you? The boy was surprised. At first he asked, Why? Yes, mother, you can come with me. So both of them finally decided to go out and weed the garden. Next paragraph, the boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. They both of them went to the garden. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully. They started working together and they weeded the garden completely, and finally the dirty garden was looking very beautiful. So they had a very good time together working. Working means weeding the garden and chatting and laughing. The boy got up readily. Immediately he stood. The boy got up readily and went outside with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. So this chapter is written by Laura E. Richards. Let us see the notes. Question number 1, new words. First one, cottage. Second one, manure. Third one, weeding. Fourth one, pruned. Fifth one, discipline. Sixth one, sadly. Seventh one, wobble. Eighth one, lump. Ninth one, readily. 10th one, chatting. 11th one, weld. Question number 2, textual meanings. First one, cottage, a small simple house. Second one, manure, material mixed with soil to help plants grow. Third one, weeding, removing troublesome unwanted plants from a field or garden. Fourth one, pruned, cut off dead or unwanted part of a plant to help it grow well. These are all textual meanings. Fifth one, discipline, obeying rules and orders. Sixth one, sadly, badly or very much. Seventh one, wobble, move in a shaky way. Eighth one, lump in a throat, a tight feeling in the throat due to strong emotions. Ninth one, welled up, filled with tears. 10th one, readily, quickly and without any difference. 11th one, chatting, talking in a friendly way. Question number 3, textual subjective questions. In that question number 1, write 3 words that have something to do with the garden. Answer, pruned, that means to cut or to trim. Weeding, remove unwanted plants, that is meant by weeding. Then manure, into bracket, watered. Question number 2. Write the answers to the following question. First one. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? Answer. No. It was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. It is such a simple thing to do. Yes or no? So answer is no. It was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Second one. Was the boy naughty? Answer. No. The boy was not naughty. Third one. Who had come to stay with the little boy and his family? Answer. The little boy's uncle had come to stay with the little boy and his family. Fourth one. What did the uncle believe in? Answer. The uncle believed in hard work and discipline. Fifth one. Was it wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden? Answer. No, it was not wrong to tell the boy to weed the garden. Sixth one. Was the boy naughty? No, the boy was not naughty. This question is repeated here. Seventh one. Did the boy's mother want him to work? Answer. Yes, the boy's mother wanted him to work. Eighth one. Why was the little boy unhappy? Answer. The little boy was unhappy because his uncle had told him to weed the garden. Ninth one. Did the boy want to weed the garden in the beginning? Answer. No, the boy did not want to weed the garden in the beginning. 10th one. Did the boy enjoy weeding the garden in the end? Answer. Yes, the boy enjoyed weeding the garden in the end. Fourth textual objective questions. Question number 2. Give opposites of pretty, ugly, different, same, few, many, little, big. Question number 3. Pick the odd man out. First one. Chin, throat, eyes, uncle, nose. So odd man is uncle. Second one. Boy, mother, uncle, aunt, house. Odd man out is house. Third one. Rose, lily, sunflower, apple, lotus. Odd man out is apple. Thank you.